Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 5 of Zero to Hero Full Stack plus VoIP plus AI Engineer. I'm Siddhant Kumar, full stack VoIP and AI engineer, working professionally since 2021. In the last 4 episodes, we set up WSL2, configured VS Code, installed our core tools, and connected everything to GitHub. Today, we are leveling up your Git workflow, pre-commit hooks, and a professional gitignore. Think of this like adding a spell checker and a security guard to your code before it ever leaves your computer. No more accidental commits for secrets, no more messy formatting, no more it no more its work on my machine surprises. Let's make your commits professional grade. Think of your system Python like a shared kitchen in an apartment building. Everyone use it, and your OS, system tools, other apps. If you start installing random packages globally, you might break something for everyone else. That's what PEP 668 prevents. A virtual environment is like your own private kitchen. Inside it, you can install any packages you want, a specific version, experimental tools, project dependencies without affecting anyone else. Benefits: no more it works on my machine problems. Easy to share exact dependencies with teammates via requirements.txt. Safe to experiment without breaking your system. Required for professional Python development. Think of your Git repository like a publishing house. Your code is the manuscript, Git is the printer. It captures your work. Pre-commit hooks are your editorial team. They check spelling, formatting, and style before anything goes to print. Without them, you might publish a book with typos, missing chapters, or even someone's private notes accidentally included. With them, every commit is clean, consistent, and production ready. Here's what our hooks will do. Black formatter auto fixes Python code style. No more arguments about spaces versus tabs. Flag 8 catches common Python errors before you run the code. ESLint does the same for JavaScript and TypeScript. Gitignore keeps secrets, build files, and system junk out of your repository forever. This isn't optional polish. It's how professional teams ship reliable softwares. First, navigate to your project folder. I am in Zero to Hero. Now, list Zero to Hero folder to see if virtual environment folder VNV is there or not. In my case, it is not created yet. Let's create a virtual environment named VENV. You can name any as per your preference. Let's enter command python v space dash m venv. This creates a venv folder with its own Python interpreter and package directory. Verify it was created. Using command ls space dash la space venv. You should see bin lib and pyvenv.cfg. Now activate it with command source space venv /bin/activate. Notice your terminal prompt changed. It now shows venv at the start. That means you are working inside the virtual environment. Verify which Python you are using. Insert this command which space Python. Now insert the command which space pip. Both should point to 0 to hero venv/bin, not the system Python. Always upgrade pip inside your new environment. This is the command pip space install space --upgrade space pip. This ensures you have the latest package installer. Now let's install pre-commit. This is a Python package, so we will use pip install pre-commit. This install the pre-commit framework. Verify it installed pre-commit space --version. You should see something like pre-commit, the current version. You can see mine. Perfect. Now we need to tell pre-commit what hooks to run. We do this with a config file. In your project root, in my that's 0 to hero, create a new file. Just enter code space dot pre-commit-config.yaml. Add this instruction. You can copy and paste this by pausing the screen, or you can find the README file of this episode on the GitHub page. So please explore GitHub to read everything in details. So let me break this down. The first repo adds basic hygiene checks: no trailing spaces, fix missing new lines, validate YML block, use files. Black auto formats Python code to a consistent style. Flake 8 catches common Python errors and style issues. ESLint does the same for JavaScript and TypeScript files. This config covers the language we use in this course: Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and YML for configs. Now tell Git to use pre-commit. Run pre-commit space install. This creates a .git/hooks/pre-commit file that runs our checks before every commit. Verify its exist. List directories, and by listing you can go to ls space -la space .git/hooks/pre-commit. You should see the file with execute permissions. Perfect. Next, let's create a gitignore that works for Python, Node.js, C++, and Docker. In your project root, create or edit .gitignore and add. You can pause this screen and write this file from your end, or you can go to GitHub. From the README page, you can find the link of this episode document and visit there and find this file to write here, or just copy and paste here. This keeps your repository clean and secure. Notice the secrets section at the bottom. Never commit API keys, certificate, or passwords. If you accidentally do, rotate them immediately. Let's verify everything works with a quick test. Create a messy Python file. Just pause the screen and type this content of test underscore hook dot py file. Now try to commit it. Git space add space test underscore hooks dot py. Git commit space dash m test is to messy Python file. Watch what happens. Black will auto format the code. Flag 8 might warn about missing doc strings. The commit will succeed only if all checks pass. If you see info installing environment for followed by pass, congratulations. Your hooks are working. Check the file now. Cat test underscore hooks dot py. You should see clean formatted code. That's Black doing its job. Sometimes you want to check files without commit. Pre-commit lets you do that. Pre-commit run dash dash all underscore files. This runs all hooks against every file in your repo. Great for a final check before pushing. To run on a single file, pre-commit space run space dash dash files space test underscore hook dot py. This is useful when you are debugging a specific issue. Let's recap what we configured today. Installed pre-commit framework pip. Created .pre-commit config.yaml with hooks for trailing white space removal, end of file fixing, YAML validation, large file blocking, Black Python auto formatter, Flag 8 Python linter, ESLint for JavaScript or TypeScript. Installed the Git hook with pre-commit install. Created a comprehensive .ignore for Python, Node.js, C++, Docker, and IDEs. Tested the workflow with a messy file. Watched hooks auto-fix and validate. Learn to run hooks manually with pre-commit run. Your Git workflow is now professional grade. Every commit will be clean, consistent, and secure, just like engineers at top companies. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Hero Stack Academy and hit the notification bell. Episode 6 drops soon. This course is 100% free and open source. If it helps you, consider becoming a GitHub sponsor. Your support funds server costs, domain renewals, and more free content. The link is in the description. Join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Share your setup, ask questions, and connect with other learners. Start the GitHub repository. It helps others discover this course. I'm Siddhant Kumar, full stack, VoIP, and AI engineer, working professionally since 2021. This course is my passion project to help developers like you master enterprise-grade skills through hands-on learning. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, GitHub, or via email. All links are in the description. Drop a comment below. Hooks installed. If your pre-commit workflow is ready. Thank you for watching. I will see you in episode 6. Happy coding.